I get this question a lot. What do you store in your freezer? Because I like a good dinner, but I also don't want to spend 45 minutes to an hour in the kitchen every night. So here's what I do. I actually make a lot of soups. And one of the reasons I like soup so much is that as you're cooking it up, the nutrients are staying in the pot. If you're cooking things on the barbecue, the nutrients are going to be seeping through your cooking apparatus and, the basket that you've got the food in or whatever. But that's what I love about soups is that everything just stays right there in the pot. So it feels a lot more nutrient dense to me. And in the winter, I also like the fact that it's so warming. So I'm going to tell you about one of my favorite soups that I always have in my freezer. And it's by a blogger. Her name is Damn Delicious. And it is her chicken noodle soup. So it's one of my favorite items. I just made it for book club last night and I made a lot. So then I'm going to freeze it. I freeze it in 1 to 2 cup, sometimes 3 cups, so that if it's just me having dinner, it's a 1 cup. If it's my husband and I, it's a 2 or a 3 cup. And it's made with chicken breast. And this is one of the reasons why I want to tell you about this deal at ButcherBox right now is they have free chicken breast for a year and $30 off of your first box. So basically you get to choose your own protein. It could be ground beef, it could be salmon, or the chicken breast. And this is when I use chicken breast because what I find is that when you put chicken breast in soup, it stays moist and it creates a lot of savory experience. Can I say that? I'm clearly not a chef, but I really like to eat. So go to butcherbox.com/Enos, use the code Enos, and you can get $30 off of your first box. And you get to choose your own protein for free for a year. You get to choose again between chicken breast, which is my current winter favorite, ground beef, or wild Alaskan salmon. Hope you enjoy.